Hi everyone, I have come with two books today. But before I start on the books, I just wanted to say something. There is so much of chaos in the world out there, and there is so much of violence, so much of noise, and we are being bombarded by this huge amount of information. So please find your moments of calm, find your moments of peace. I find it with reading. You might be finding it with some other activity. Whatever it is, protect yourself by finding these moments where you can just forget about everything else. Keep yourself informed, but get your information from credible sources. Try to avoid doom scrolling as much as possible because you have to take care of your sanity. And now let's move on to my books. So, the two books that I have got today is Cloud Cuckoo Land by Anthony Doerr and Aranyak by Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. And this is the book that I have chosen for myself as per my reading challenge. This is the book for March. And this is a book that I got from the Ernakulam Public Library. So, I thought that these two books I should finish this month. So first, let me talk about Aranyak. Aranyak was written originally in Bengali by Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay, who also wrote Pather Panchali and Apur Sansar. This book was written in the 1930s, and it is kind of semi-autobiographical because the author too went through some of the experiences. This is basically about Satyacharan. Satyacharan is a graduate who does not get a job in Calcutta. So he goes to Bihar and he gets a job as a manager in a estate. So he has to manage the people there, he has to manage the resources there. And initially it is very difficult for him, but he gradually falls in love with the beauty of the place and the simplicity of the people and how genuine they are, and he gets to know the deep contrasts that exist there, the poverty of the people and the immense wealth of the landowners. And he also sees how they are being exploited. He also has to reclaim land. These beautiful trees have to be cut down. So that is the basic premise. It is about how one man falls in love with something he had never expected. It is this beautiful jungle which he falls in love with, and everything about it, the people, the trees, everything about it. So I'm really looking forward to reading it. It is also his moral dilemma when he has to go against what he believes in. So that is Aranyak by Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay, which I will be reading this month. And now we move on to this, which is Cloud Cuckoo Land, written by Anthony Doerr. Anthony Doerr is popular for his other book, All the Light We Cannot See. I have not read that. That was also made into a movie. I have not watched the movie, but when I saw this book, Cloud Cuckoo Land, in the Ernakulam Public Library, I had to take this. The language is so beautiful. And the premise is also quite interesting, you know. It is about five characters across 8 centuries, children mainly, and how they come across a fictional Greek text and how how the text helps them. They are all going through turmoil and they're all going through a lot of difficulties in life, and how they connect to that text. So this is basically like a novel within a novel. And these characters are ranging from Anna in Constantinople centuries ago to another character in the future. I started reading, and the language is exquisite. So beautiful, you know, when he describes villages and the people there and how, you know, it is. And, you know, I feel that I'm being taken away from everything and I'm just in that place. And so I'm loving it. I'm loving reading it. I don't know how it's going to be as I move on. But right now, I am really drawn into the lives of these characters and their places, especially. You know how it is all over there in the family who have to move to the mountains from a village in ancient Greece, and how they live there. And it really makes you want to escape from everything. So that is Cloud Cuckoo Land by Anthony Doerr and Aranyak by Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. If you feel that you like any of this, please do go and read it. and we'll see how it is. So I'll be coming back with reviews of both sometime in the future once I finish it, which will definitely be this month. So you guys, please stay safe, take care of yourself, keep reading. Bye bye.